Hey guys, welcome back. So this is going to be a little project share and tutorial video. I started seeing these nail file holders and I thought it was super cute to add to Happy Mail. And a lot of people use them for their craft fair, so you're going to be seeing a lot of videos with people making them. But I made mine's a little different, so I figure I'll show you how I made mine. And they're super cute. Okay, so you're gonna need a piece of paper that measures 11 by 1.5, and then I scored it at 7 1/4. So there's my score line. We're gonna fold, and you're gonna need the envelope punch board. So what I do here is this line right there. I just put it right on the 1 inch, right there. So I put it there and I punch. Okay, you get that. To get the same piece on the other side, I just flip my paper again at the 1 inch and punch. And there you go. So then what you do is, it's best if you have double-sided paper, but it's fine. That's an easy fix because you could just add paper to that piece. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add a piece of pattern paper. Oops. A piece of pattern paper on this side, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So you see, easy fix. All I did was add a piece of paper there because you're not gonna see the bottom piece anyway, so save paper there. Then what I like to do is corner around all my little corners. So I'll do that. Even on the one on top. And you have that nice and cornered. So now you want to take your nail filer and just add a hole in the middle. And I have one of these, I don't know what this thing is called. Crocodile? No, whatever. You know what this thing is called. So put your nail filer right there. And these nail filers I found at Family Dollar because my Dollar Tree didn't have any. Okay, so once you have that, then you add your little eyelet and you squeeze that in. Where is it? So you squeeze that. Hold on. Okay. So boom, you got that there. Then what you want to do is take your trim or ribbon or whatever you want to use, put it through the hole. And these are so cute, perfect for Happy Mail. I swear, it always happens when I'm doing a video. Like, okay, here we go. You know, pull a little piece. Oh God, I don't know if I was in frame, but all I did was put that through the little hole. Cut your piece of ribbon. Make your little knot. Actually, I added these little flower dangles, so I'm gonna put that through here, through the ribbon. Okay, so we got that, and it just looks super cute. So I'm trying to rush this. I don't know why I'm trying to rush. Okay, so you make your little knot. And it's just a cute little dangle. Make your ribbon all cute. There you go. Let's do this one. And you can make that as long as you want. This one, I kind of did it kind of short. Then take your nail filer thing, your holder. Take some twine. And what I do, I don't glue anything down. Just tie it from the back. Make a little bow. And that is it, basically. Make a little knot or a bow or whatever you want. Let's do a little bow. And you can make these, like you can make a ton of these. Okay, so that's what my back looks like. This is my front. And now it's just basically just decorate. And you could add whatever decoration you want. I swear, I like obsessed with these Polkadoodles. So we're gonna add little Helga. Let me get a piece of foam. Add it to the back. I always like adding extra glue to my foam. And then right there, just cover that piece. And look guys, super cute. Like really, how cute is that? Let me pick this up. I feel like I'm so low. Look how cute this is. And they fit perfect in these like pretzel bags. So you come, take your little bag. If I can open the thing. Okay, here we go. And look at this. Oh, of course she's not gonna fit. Let's see, here you go. Look at this. Like really? How freaking cute. And boom, you have your little goodies for Happy Mail. For your pen pals or for whatever. Even if you want to sell these things, I'm telling you, you're going to be seeing a lot of videos with craft fairs, and I heard these are like bestsellers. But everybody does it different, so go check out other tutorials if you like. And I hope you guys like this one. Make some for your pen pals, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.